Silica's taken care of now. We're good to go. Brakes are all fixed. Now, Barra. Gonna start tearing it down. Like I said, I already have the gasket reseal and the head studs. So I'll be able to do all that and put it back together, and I can do the lifted springs later. So, we're gonna wheel this off. I'm gonna use cardboard and a Sharpie to get everything kind of laid out, because I'm not gonna remember where everything goes. I'm human, so super simple. Just put bolts in cardboard, label it, and then future me will thank present me, or now then past me, for doing that, because I'm gonna forget. And boom, just like that. Got all the valve cover bolts right here. Liquid valve cover. I can read it. Doesn't matter if you can't. I can. Maybe not future me. So, we'll take out the VCT gears once again. Gotta kind of finagle it. And we got them. Now, I already disconnected all this stuff before. Valve cover comes right off. The gasket's already kind of fucked. But, like I said, full reseal kit. So this guy can perish. Set that down. I'll get that sent out probably in a month or so to go get powder coated. But next, we angle it slightly towards you guys. The top of the motor. All this awesome jazz. So, it is pissing liquid out. I'm gonna go back up. It's coolant. It's whatever. It's Australian coolant is what it is. But I'm gonna leave it upright, put this pin back in, and evenly take these off so nothing gets bowed. And before that, I actually have to take off this front cover. Now I'm looking at it because there's a chain on here. So let's do that and check the front of the motor. Go up. That they are. Nice and gentle. All the way around on this front timing cover. Now, to get these other ones, I am going to have to take off this big boy up front. My water pump right there. Spinny boy. I'm assuming I have to take this guy out. Oh yeah. Long boy. So, I didn't think about it, but it's the next day now, and I don't have a crank puller, so we're going to run the Harbor Freight, get a crank puller, I'm going to measure how big this is, and get this bad boy off of here. A rocket that just got shot up there. Still going. And just like that, we got the draw puller from our favorite place ever, Harbor Freight. Alright, we got our crank pulley puller. We have our crank pulley, and we'll just... And we're on. So, I'll set you guys up right here. Let's get this thing off. Oh. We lost an arm. It's loose enough? Yes, it is. Easy peasy. I'm happy it was. Wasn't trying to deal with that. Hell yeah. And now, take out the last little bolt that was hiding away. An oily one, I'll tell you that much. Set it on my cardboard over here where it's all organized. And if I'm not mistaken, the front cover should just pop off. I do need to get my 10 mil usual. There's a bracket that's stopping me right now. And then there's a pulley in the way of that bracket, so unless I find my 10 mil wrench. Oh, I found it! Alright. I'm gonna go. I just need to barely loosen it. So I can slide this guy out of the way. And like I said, if I'm not mistaken, this bad boy should just pop right off. Let me see if I can find my, there it is, my pry bar, screwdriver. And it should. It's gonna be crusty on there, I know that much. Ah, there's another bolt. I am legally blind, not really. Add that to the pile as well. One final inspection since I missed that one. I think we're good now. So now this bad boy, I might have to go get a razor and clean all this up. I don't want any of this. Doesn't matter, the motor's coming apart entirely. I still don't want any of this black RTV goo. And I will say though, the part that I did not check, I probably should have. I don't know if there's oil in this thing. I'm not trying to flip it upside down and then it just ends up going everywhere. So, handy little guy here. Nice and snug. Let's see what we got here. We do not. Okay, cool. I will angle it to the side though and get any excess I can out. There is some, and I missed. Of course I did. Why would I get that? Try that. There we go. And coolant at the same time. I can't win. Okay. Let's try this again. Do I have to just hold it here? Where's it coming out of? There we go. Okay. I can deal with this. Multitasking. We're gonna be chill. I'm just gonna leave that there for a minute, you know? Alright, most of it's drained. I'll take when I can get. So let's bring it back up. We'll pop this trans cooler off here. All the side bolts and then all the top ones as well. And get this big boy off of here. I doubt they're 15s. They're most likely the 14 that I just removed. Nice and tight, apparently. It's just a cooler that attaches to the block anyways. Come on. Whoa, there we go. Cool. And they don't go all the way through and attach something, so I'm just going to pop them back on. I won't be using this cooler, but it's good that I do have these mounting points here for anything that I may need to add, supports, whatever. So, slightly in there, and then what size are these bad boys? I think they're 14s. They might be 13s. 13s or 12s? Let's check. Yeah, we do. So, pop it on there. Nice and tight. So, we're going to get all these bad boys. Now, some oil may come out of here. That's A-okay. This goes to the girdle, if I'm not mistaken. I actually have a little container here. I can pop all my bolts in. Not in the coolant bucket. That's all the girdle. Sorry, actually, I think I missed the front one on this side. Nope, we ain't got one on this side. Easy peasy. I want this upright because it looks cooler. More of a visual for all of us in America that don't work on bears or see bears that often. We got the front color cover loose enough to pop off now. So, the front of a Barra. Really, really simple. So, game gears, chains, always OEM tensioner, always. Atomic and them make great ones, but the noisy whatever, great. We're switching it up, most likely going to do Empire guides and an OEM chain. People run the OEM chain up to 1,000 horsepower, going to be nowhere near that. We'll bring it down. And we have the oil pump, which will be getting a billet, backing plate, and gear. And then this is for the timing thing we took out, which is on the cardboard right over there. Super simple. Awesome. We'll flip it back over. Let's get this oil pan off. Now, moment of truth. Actually, we can... Just a little O-ring that holds this bad boy on here. I'll add it to my awesome pile over here of Barra parts. And some oil was dripping, but that's going to be fine. We're going to get a little bit more. We'll put some cardboard underneath it. As fast as I can. And I'll clean the floor later. But now, the Barra is upside down. Let me put the safety pin in. With my work, it's gonna move. There we go. This one I'm just doing by hand. I believe I do have the correct size over here. They are 8 mils. Is this it? No, it's another 10. I got a lot of 10 mils. Another 10 mil. Oh. It's on the tool where I left it. Go figure, right? But we're just gonna pop all these guys off here. Easy as that. Some leverage in the back and it popped right up. I just need to do the same to the other side. Brake bar won't fit. There we go. Moment of truth, guys. I'll stand on this side so I get the whole view. The Barra. Hefty boy. And it looks super good in here. Nothing sparkly. Like I said, it smells like you're dissecting a fucking frog. I don't know what oil we all use in Australia, but I'm not a fan. Let me bring you. So, little 8mm. I wish I could add smell to this video, because like I said, this, oh God. The hell are you guys using over there? These are long bolts. God damn. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Okay. Set these two to the side here. And then let's assume, let's check them, alright. 14. No. I don't know why I even tried. 13. Might be 13, might be 12. I think the 13's fine. These have a little bit too much play in them. Nice and easy. Feel cool. And like I keep saying, guys, I'm not even using a torque setting on that. It's literally just the unscrew setting. Beautiful. Smells like shit. Jesus. God damn. Holy shit. I gotta close both these wheels. Do both metals. Dude, that's fucking crazy. Switch this over to my impact. Don't you worry, they're all loose. I say that and then it does that shit. There we go. The valve just came. Now these I won't be reusing because we have ARP. Gonna pop all these bad boys out. We're switching to head studs instead. Oh, the smell! Go away. Oh my god. Of course, this one's not off all the way. Oh my god. If anyone needs some head bolts, let me know. You can have them. Located in Colorado. For my Aussie people. Alright, I think we're at a point. You can just take the head off. At least it's aluminum. Okay. That's a Barra. Maybe some carbon deposits in here. But nothing a little cleaning can't fix.